The first ingredient in our beaker and the base of this formulation is coconut oil. The first ingredient we will be adding is Hemisqualane. This will be used as an emollient and can be used as a cyclomethicone alternative. Next, we will add some squalane. This will act as an emollient and make the final oil feel very light on the skin. Next, our avocado oil will be added. This will provide some fatty acids and some vitamin E to the formulation. Now some sunflower oil will be added, and this has the same benefits as the avocado oil in that it acts as an emollient and provides the fatty acids to the skin. Now our first active, LineFill, will be added, and what this will do is to help smooth wrinkles by enhancing adipocytes, which are fat cells in the skin. Now our second active will be added, Vitaoils Plus, and this will provide some moisturizing extracts and oils to the final formulation. Now our next active, Lipogard, will be added. What this does is to prevent lipid peroxidation within the skin. Now the first of Salvona's technologies will be added, MultiSal Retinol, which is our encapsulated retinol. And as you can see, even though we are adding a solid to a completely oil phase, it is dispersible and it does solubilize within the oil. Now the second of our technologies and our final ingredient, HydroSal Anti-Aging Lift, will be added. What this ingredient is a combination of encapsulated peptides, resveratrol, and niacin, which all have anti-aging benefits. You may have noticed that this formulation does not have a preservative in it. That is because this formulation is completely water-free. Here is the final formulation of the retinol night oil. As you can see, it is very watery, but as such, it is used in a dropper. Here's the application. As you can see, just a small drop is used, and then that small drop is spread around the area. It is very, very moisturizing.